blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. In fact, they are often referred to as a superfood. So, let's explore the 10 surprising health benefits of blueberries. Number 1. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from oxidative damage. Number 2. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system and can even help improve skin health. Number 3. Blueberries are low in calories but high in fiber, which makes them a great choice for weight management and promoting a healthy digestive system. Number 4. These small berries are known for their brain-boosting abilities. The antioxidants in blueberries may delay brain aging and improve memory and cognitive function. Number 5. Blueberries have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Their high levels of anthocyanins can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Number 6. Blueberries also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Number 7. They may have a positive impact on blood sugar control, making them a great option for individuals with diabetes or those looking to regulate their blood sugar levels. Number 8. Blueberries are good for your vision too. The antioxidants in blueberries can help combat age-related macular degeneration and improve overall eye health. Number 9. Blueberries have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and may help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 10. Last but not least, blueberries may have cancer-fighting properties. The antioxidants and other compounds found in these berries have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider grabbing a handful of blueberries. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and facts.